To create a Crypto.com wallet, start by downloading the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide a valid email address and create a strong password. Make sure to choose a password that is unique and not used for any other account. Next, you will receive a verification email from Crypto.com. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. After verifying your email, you will be asked to provide some basic information, including your name and date of birth. This information is required to comply with Know Your Customer regulations. After providing the required information, you will be asked to set up two-factor authentication. This is an additional security measure that helps protect your account from unauthorized access. You can choose to receive a verification code via SMS or use an authenticator app. Once you have set up two-factor authentication, you will be taken to the dashboard of your Crypto.com wallet. From here, you can buy, sell, and store a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Crypto.com's native token, Kronos. You can also use the app to send and receive cryptocurrencies, as well as track the value of your portfolio. To add a new cryptocurrency to your wallet, simply click on the Buy button and select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. You can pay for your cryptocurrency using a credit or debit card, or via bank transfer. Make sure to review the transaction details carefully before confirming the purchase. It is also important to note that Crypto.com offers a range of security features to protect your account, including multi-factor authentication, encryption, and cold storage. The app also has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and use, even for beginners. In conclusion, creating a Crypto.com wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking advantage of the app's security features, you can start buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies with confidence. Remember to always prioritize security and use best practices when managing your cryptocurrency portfolio.